we go.
Hello?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu. You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yes, sir.
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
Yes, sir.
I'm just wanting a 4-nugget thing. I'm trying to watch my calorie intake. Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese?
I'm sorry?
A junior Western bacon cheese.
I don't have junior Western bacon cheese, sir. Can I help you?
And I'm gonna go with a fillet of fish sandwich.
Okay, would you like to come in and order?
Yeah.
Okay, that would be great. We'll take care of you when you're here, okay?
How much is that, sir?
Excuse me?
It was bad. That's a good one. Okay, that's how you do the prank call. You call ma'am a sir.
Yeah.